I'm taking this Spider IDE to implement this association rule learning in the Python coding language. And this Spider IDE, Spider Integrated Development Environment, is present in the Anaconda distribution. And I set my path as the Python course, and in Python course folder, I have a subfolder AR2 market basket. I have this subfolder AR2 market basket, and in this subfolder I make AR2 market basket dot py Python file, and in this Python file we are going to do our coding session implementation of association rule learning. So first of all, I import the basic libraries, and then from efficient a priori import a priori. A priori is the algorithm for association rule learning, and I just import this library. If you don't have this library, then just do pip install efficient a priori, or try and you, or if you're using the Anaconda, then you can use the conda command for installing this. And I import this library, and now I just, as you can see my path, there I have two files, ar2 marketbasket.py and the market basket optimization.csv file. So basically I am using this csv file, where I use this csv file to find the rules, and I get my data set. Now I just get my transaction data set, and the data set which I get is in a dirty format. Like, first of all, let's see the data set. What is our data set? So this is our data set, where we have some nan values, and like a customer buys mineral water, milk, energy bar, whole wheat rice, green tea. Another person buys burgers, meatballs, eggs, and one person is buys this much of so much of things, and some of them only buys a single things like cookies, french fries, low fat yogurt, and something like that. So we have this data, and we get list, and we convert this data, and we convert in this data into list format, and we have this series. We have now data in the series format, and this data is dirty, so we have to clean that, removing nan values. So here I remove the nan values, and you can see that, is it? Yes. So now I remove the nan values are these, and these are the nested list. And in every list I have this number of items. Like, I have these three items for this list, one item, these items for one person. Every person implies to the single list. Every transaction is implies to single list in this list. So this is the simple Python function, simple Python list comprehension, where I use this comprehension to clean my transaction data. And now I making the list of lists into the list of tuples. And as you can see, transaction tuple, I just make the every nested list as the this tuples. And when I get the tuples, now I will get the rules for that, and item sets, rules. And by using the a priori function, which I import from this efficient a priori uh, library, here I set my minimum confidence is 0.05, minimum support is 0.03, and by using this I'm trying to figure out some rules. So let me print some rules. As you can see, when this mineral water is often by every person, like every person buys mineral water. So the if you get any rule between the mineral water and green tea, so there, or any other product, so consider that rule as a null or void, because every person buys mineral water, and there is no rule between mineral water or any other product. So yes, we have the rules. Like, if a person buys egg, then the person buys spaghetti. This is a product in foreigns. I don't know about this, but if a person buys that, then person buys this also. If person buys chocolate, then person may also buy eggs. If person buy ground beef, then this is not. If a person buys french fries, then there is chances that person also buys chocolate. And if person buys french fries, then the person also can buy the egg. So these are the some rules. And that's all about this association rule learning which I applied to the market basket data. And that's all for the today's session. And I can I just want to tell you that do this coding more and more times so that you can understand this, because only by seeing this and only do it once, it won't help you, or you won't get all the things by doing it once. So if you don't do it more times, so then you just forgot all the things. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay motivated and keep learning.